Hello, how are you doing? I just wanted to talk about Metaverse Pro. Um, I think I reviewed this the other day and I was going like, oh, I don't know why it has this current APY because that seems really high. So when you go here to the app, and I figured out what it is. When you do the regular staking, it's this will say, I don't have my wallet connected, but if you do connect it, it'll say 3.3, and that's the APY, 263,260 for the 3.3. Once you have to start off here staking, but then you'll connect your wallet and buy Meta and put it in here, and you'll do a few transactions, accept it, and it'll start staking, and you'll earn I think it's called S meta after a while. Then once you have that S meta, you can stake on the 6.6. So this is where they have the high APY, where it's 4,990,100. Oh no, is it 4 billion? Okay, 4 billion. 990 million. 182,427.6%. I guess that's the number. But once you've staked here and you've gotten your, I believe it's, what do they call it? The S meta. See, stake your meta tokens to get S meta. That's here. Once you have the S meta, wait like a week or a few days. I think like 5 days you have to wait. And then once you have the S meta, you can unstake it. And then you can go here to wrap your S meta, and then you stake it for the 6.6 and enjoy the high APY. So once you get the S meta, you unstake it, then you come here to wrap, connect your wallet. I don't think I have a wallet here to connect. Yeah, this is a not it, but you would connect it, and then it would give you the option to stake or to wrap, and you just have to, your MetaMask will come up and you'll have to like hit approve. So you can wrap it, and then once it's wrapped, it'll say like WS meta, wrapped S meta, and then you can come here, connect your wallet, and stake it for the high APY. And then it does get locked for 5 days. If you have questions, what are S meta and WS meta? See, once you wrap it, it'll say WS meta. What is the 6.6? So yeah, you can read about it. What it is. 1 meta equals 1 S meta. Wrapped S meta equals S meta / index. When you unwrap your WS meta, you receive S meta. So it is something. It's like the S meta equals WS meta times index. So it's a little different. But anyway, that's where the high APY is. So I just wanted to show you that because I really didn't know about it because I'm kind of new to it. But I have been trying like the regular staking, but I didn't know about this. But I watched, I think his name is Lucas on YouTube. I'm not sure of his exact channel. I don't know his exact last name. But he was the one who talked about this, and I guess some of the DAOs have that, so you might want to check that out. And that was all I had for you today, so I hope you enjoyed it. Have a great day. Bye-bye.